Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest way to copy a Telegram channel's QR link using the latest steps for 2025. Whether you want to invite friends or share your channel with a wider audience, this method will help you get your channel link in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the channel whose QR or invite link you want to copy. You can find your channels listed on the main chat screen. Tap to open the channel. Once you're inside the channel, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see the channel's profile picture or name. Tap on it. This will open the channel's profile page, where you can see more details about the channel. On the profile page, look for the QR code icon or the link QR option. It's usually right next to the channel's invite link or under the channel name. Tap on the link QR button. This will bring up the channel's invite link along with a QR code that others can scan to join the channel instantly. Now, to copy the link, simply tap on the Copy Link button. The link is now saved to your clipboard, and you can easily share it anywhere you like, whether it's in a message, email, or on social media. That's it. You've just copied your Telegram channel's QR link in a few simple steps. Sharing your channel and growing your community has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.